Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Giovanni.
Hey, Lo.
I like what I see here. Tell us what we're doing.
Well, we're having a party, or should I say, fiesta.
Oh, I like it.
We're doing Fiesta Fruit Cups.
Fun, muy bien.
We have some margarita glasses, and I am just going to wet the rim, and I'm going to put it in Tajín. Look at that, right?
Oh, fancy.
Give me some tequila, and we're good to go.
We're good.
This is jicama. The way I cut into jicama is I don't use a peeler, I use a chef knife. I cut it down just like that, like I'm cutting like a watermelon. This here, I just cut it down the middle. I put it on a flat side, and then I just want to cut like medium to large dice. Now mango, this is the way I like to do it.
Now you're thinking.
Now I'm thinking. All right, I'll throw that in there. Make sure they're all broken apart. The kiwis, I like to leave them in rings. So I'm just gonna cut them down like that, right?
Yeah.
Gonna cut wedges, just like that. So we're just gonna take a juice of a lime. Did I get you?
Yeah.
Sorry. Just sprinkle a little bit of Tajín in there. Look at that, doesn't it look nice?
I love it.
We'll start loading up these margarita glasses. Hit it with a little bit more on top. Then we can do something like that. And hit a little bit with Tajín.
Could not be easier. So head to our website, newspelv.com, and you will find how to make it. Thank you so much, Gio.
Thank you, Lo.